In this video, I'll show you how to set up your Amazon Echo Dot Max for the first time. I have simply unboxed the unit, so let's get started right away. Step number one is to obviously take the charger, connect this end of the cable in the back of the Echo Dot Max, and the other end in a power outlet. You're gonna go on the Google Play Store or on the App Store if you have an iPhone, and you're gonna download the Amazon Alexa app. Now before opening the app, make sure that your Echo is in setup mode. You should see an orange light spinning. If you don't see it, or maybe if the light is blue, you simply have to keep press the middle button, the mute button, and the volume up. Keep them both pressed until setup mode is enabled. Open the Alexa app. Once the app is open, you may get a screen telling you to connect your device. If you don't see it, don't worry. Press the plus sign on the top right corner. So this is the screen I was talking about. It came a bit late, but yeah. Click the plus sign if you don't see it. If not, simply press agree and continue. It will now connect your Echo Dot Max to your Wi-Fi. The same Wi-Fi network has your smartphone, so just give it a few seconds. Alright, it has been connected. Press continue. Press continue. Select the address where you're going to use the Echo Dot Max. This is important in case you're asking questions related to the location, like the weather or other stuff like traffic. So I'll select this address. You can also add a new one by selecting enter new address. Select where you're going to place this device. So it's up to you. Let's say I want to put it in the bathroom. Press continue. Set up voice ID. This is important because this way Alexa will be able to recognize your voice easier. She or whatever will learn the way you speak. So press agree and continue and repeat what they say here. Alexa, what's the temperature outside? Alexa, play music. Alexa, turn off the light. Alexa, add milk to my shopping list. Press continue. Press done. Now if you go in devices on your app, you're going to see your Echo Dot Max. It's online, it's working. Press on it and you will be able to have a lot more options, as you see, especially if you click the settings button right here, including changing Amazon Alexa voice.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
So this is about it. It's now working. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.